The outbreak of the coronavirus may be stressful for people. Fear and anxiety about the disease can be overwhelming and can cause strong emotions in both adults and children. Coping with the stress in a healthy and productive way can make you, the people you care about, and your community stronger. Psychologist Dr. Mike Rubacek has tips to help us get through this difficult time.
You know, this is a difficult time for many of us. Part of what is challenging about it really is the loss of control that people have. And so with the COVID-19 coming upon us, then you see business closures and you see lack of availability of products at the stores, and your routine has been changed. And so there are a lot of things that have happened because of the situation that's upon us. And so it's often a question for us to wonder about, how do I deal with this, or what do I do? You know, maintaining some sense of balance in life comes from devising a plan. Plans are helpful because they give you a sense of control. And so even just looking at your day and saying, what are the things I want to accomplish today, or what are things that I can do today? So then it gives me a greater sense of I have control over my day, rather than I'm just lost with nowhere to go, nothing to do. I've got to keep social distancing so I can't see anybody or talk to anybody. Or instead of focusing on all those things you can't do, then make a plan. And in that plan, find some common elements from your normal day-to-day routine. Build a nice, comfortable meal plan. Figure out an exercise routine. Watch something on TV that will guide you through an exercise, or download an app for mindfulness or meditation or something like that that can give you a little bit of something to do during the day. Tape your favorite show. You know, again, those are just common things that you do every day, or have done many days of your life, that have brought about a sense of calm, relaxation. Can you find a plan that helps you to develop balance, doing things that are pleasant, positive, fulfilling, meaningful, enjoyable, more so than the burdensome, difficult, struggle, task kinds of things? My wife pulled out a puzzle, put it on the card table in our living room. A puzzle's kind of fun. You can focus on simple things like that. I love to work out in the yard. So again, a little weeding in the garden, or you know, flower beds, just some things that, again, part of your normal routine, help you to find a little bit of balance. Some of us are isolated and we feel like we're alone and have no one. So maybe it's just a phone call or a text that does that. And if you can't find that someone who will be encouraging and supportive, you know, sometimes people are more quite quote the downers. You know, they bring up the negative things and they scare us more, or they stress us more. So find someone who can contribute in a positive way. And if there isn't someone like that, then there are helplines. Many of the therapists in town here are opening up telehealth opportunities, so you can call and speak to someone. You can have a video chat with a therapist and get some encouragement and support, and have someone to share with. You know, it really is a big, important thing when we reach out and we talk and we share and we feel things together and get some reassurance and some comfort. It makes a big difference.
Governor Gavin Newsom spoke about the stress and emotional struggles Californians may be having during the shelter-in-place order, and pointed out resources for people who are suffering emotionally and physically. During one of Governor Newsom's daily COVID-19 updates, he was joined by the California Surgeon General Dr. Nadine Burke-Harris to unveil a set of behavioral and mental health guidelines for people to consider during the coronavirus pandemic.
The good news is that there are simple ways, simple things that you can do every day at home to protect your and your family's health. Safe, stable, and nurturing relationships help to protect our brains and bodies from the harmful effects of stress and adversity. Healthy nutrition, regular exercise, mindfulness like meditation, good sleep hygiene, and staying connected to our social supports and getting mental health care all help to decrease stress hormones and improve our health.